Hello everybody. What I'm making here today is a holder for 350ZX, I'm sorry. This is a door vent after I've taken everything off, driver's side. This over here is a 2-inch pipe, PVC, and an adapter. I glued these two pieces together already, so just to show you. This is the outside, looks like it's almost 2.5. The inside is 2 inches. The gauge is 2-inch gauge or 52 millimeters. This opening over here is 2.5. So this over here would almost fit perfectly here. But I glued this piece in place, so once I'm done machining everything, it nicely recessed all the way around. I'll machine a bunch of this plastic off, and I'll cut it smoothly before I do any type of finishing. But the pipe itself is a 2-inch pipe, so if you want to go the cheap route, you can glue in the pipe inside this hole and call it a day. I'll show you what comes out after I machine this piece. I did some rough measurements. If you're kind of curious, that was rough measurements. All right, have a good day. I'll show you the rest in a bit. All right, I'm almost finished with this spacer. I did do the size, so now this piece goes on there really nice and tight. If the individual wants it, they can cut it off. I'm doing it for my friend, not for me. So now I just have to cut it off from the rest of the pipe, so I'm just gonna cut that off. There we go. It's done. Let me find the piece and I'll show you the finished work. Alright, I'm back. So I ended up making this piece. Here's the vent, here's the piece. Here's a couple different gauges. This particular one is a boost gauge, 2 inches, a voltmeter gauge, and a vacuum gauge. So as you can see, they all fit in. Yes, the bolts are not reachable in this particular one, but individual can cut it to size. That's very easy. This particular one has much longer legs on it, so if anything, maybe we can use this one. And last but not least, there's this one. This one I was having trouble with, but it should also fit without any problems whatsoever. And this whole piece, I'm going to put the gauge that originally was built for, this particular gauge. Here's our cover. This is what we get. Not bolted. So this is what we get. We can of course line things up before we tighten things, but this is what we have. Hopefully you like this.